Good morning, everyone. Today, I will discuss all about the commonly used Filipino words and their definition that taught by our empowerment technology teacher. The first one is kalupi, which means in English is wallet. Which means a container that resembles a money wallet. For example, nawala ng aking kaklase ang kanyang kalupi noong isang araw. The second Filipino word is sambat, which means in English is phone. It means a common tool used in eating that usually has a 3 or 4 step metal points attached to a handle. For example, mas madaling kumain kapag may hawak na sambat. The last one is batlag, in English, car, which it means a vehicle moving on a wheels. For example, nabangga ang aming minamamehang batlag kaninang umaga.